Alright, so all the neural network API import has been already done. Now we need to calculate here class weights, and also we need to see here our input shape before building our model. So currently we have our data into XTrain and XTest. So these XTrain have the shape of 8000 cross 11. That means it is just a one-dimensional data. Alright, so you can say that the shape of this is kind of just a 11 there. So there you can say there something like this. So this will be the shape of your input data. So you can say that this is kind of input shape. It's like that. So the input shape is this. And other than that, if you see there your Y value, that's the target class. This is unbalanced, alright, imbalanced class. So for imbalanced class, we need to get here value counts. So there are around 2000 customers who had left the bank, and there are around 8000 customers who are still with the bank in this training data set. So for that, we need to make sure that it is kind of the dictionary here, so that the later on we can pass this for the training, so that these class can get a higher weight as compared to these class. Alright, so I have here class underscore weight is something like this, and then I get it here. The class weight is like this. Alright, so that's how we get here the class weight. These are the class weights there. Alright, perfect. After this, there is the formula to complete this class weight. So we need to get here the total number of the samples. You can simply do here the sum of this, the sum of all the values there. Alright, just a second. So the sum of values are there, the 10,000. You can say that the total sample, this is the total number of the sample. So then the formula becomes something like the total number of the samples here, and then we need to get it for this one and then for this one. So the total number of the samples divided by total number of the unique classes. So there are two unique classes. You can say that the length of the class weight multiplied by the total. If you want to get it for the 0, then you have to multiply it for the 0 and then for the 1. So you can say that here the class weight, and then you have here 0. So for first weight, for the 0, the class weight here 0.62, and similarly you get this whole thing from there, and then you put it here, and then you use it for the class weight 1. You do that something like that. So you get these two results as it's a class weight. Now I'm going to put it inside a list there. It's something like this. Alright, if you see it. So it's like that, and then you see here this is going to be the class weight. Alright, so how this is how you calculate this class weight. So this says that during evaluation of your model, you have to give the weightage for the class 1 2.45 times, then you need to decrease the weightage of the class 0 by the 0.62 times. Alright, perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you in next one.